Massivit founded in order to address three main barriers of manufacturing, specifically additive manufacturing, which is manufacturing speed, size, and materials. And the Massivit technology actually brings these machines in order to address these barriers with our cutting-edge technology, which is called cast in motion. Our vision is to transform industries from manufacturing techniques which are dominated by analog techniques to digital techniques that is manufactured by Massivit, which is cast in motion technology, as we can see here, the Massivit 10,000. As you can see, our 3D printing or additive manufacturing system prints very large-scale parts. As a rule of thumb, the print envelope is 1.2 by 1.5 by 1.6 meter. That's the cubical volume. And we are serving industry. There is a strong need for fast parts, tools, or molds, but usually dominated in analog techniques. So we are doing it in a very fast way in industries such as marine, rail, automotive, RV, service providers. These are our main markets. And moreover, the composite. We have more than 220 units around the globe in Japan, in US, in France, in Italy, in Puerto Rico, in Greece, you name it. All over the globe, we have machines in more than 40 countries already that adopt our cutting-edge technology. What we can see here today is the Massivit 10,000G. This machine is specialized to print, manufacture large-scale parts, molds, tools, jigs, fixtures, and to have a mold. Everyone calls it in a different name, but to have a tool in large scale, as I mentioned, in manner of days only. And when you want to produce it with other manufacturing technique, probably it will take you weeks over weeks over weeks. And what we have here is the Massivit 10,000G, which is our latest technology and product. What is so unique about our technology that you can take any CAD file and print it immediately from CAD to mold. And instead of taking a big bulk of material and to produce molds, you need to subtract material and create lots of waste. With Massivit, you print only the desired geometry. So by that, you save a lot of material, you save lots of time, you don't need to clean up the waste, and this is a sustainability solution. The process, the technology that we are printing called cast in motion, we have a head that actually builds layer over layer over layer. We build several layers, and then another casting head is come and cast in between the shell that was created. This is a repeatable process. We print and cast, print and cast, print and cast. We cast inside epoxy-based material. At the end of the printing process, we take this part, we dip it in water, plain water, no need for chemicals, nothing. These walls falling apart, and then I have a final tool that is in my hand. And this is how it comes after the water. It usually being polished with CNC or by sandpapering. And again, you can create a tool in a matter of days instead of weeks over weeks. We collaborate with Sika in co-development materials. Sika is a Swiss company that works in many industries, including the composite, and they are well respected in the industry. We co-develop materials with them and bringing this material to the market with their brand name, selling this to the composite market and other industries. We're going to have selection of materials with Sika that will enable customers to choose per their use cases which material they want to use, and buy it with the co-branded materials from Massivit and Sika. If if you can see here in the machine, we cast inside materials that are in a viscosity of a honey, let's call it. And we will be able to 3D print all kinds of material. In the future, we'll be able to print sawdust that will mix with a binder, for example, and can print furniture. We can take a marble stone or granite and print sanitary elements. We have a roadmap of materials which we are aiming to look on different vertical markets in the future.